hackathon, I worked on Decentralized Docker Hub. Using Decentralized Docker Hub, you can easily push and pull Docker images from IPFS and Filecoin. It is powered by Powergate. I decided to work on Decentralized Docker Hub because I believe that we need an alternative to centralized Docker Hub. Relying on a single centralized source for Docker images is risky because if an image gets deleted, then it will affect all your dependencies. In the past, there have been cases where a particular popular package from npm got deleted and all the packages which relied on it were affected. Hence, I believe that decentralized Docker Hub is an effective decentralized solution. It is also a cost effective solution because it depends on IPFS and Filecoin, where IPFS is a hot storage layer and Filecoin is a permanent cold storage layer. Now let me quickly show you a demo for decentralized Docker Hub. The first step is to install Docker and Docker Compose. In the next step, you run Powergate, Lotus and IPFS containers. These are the steps. I already have it running over here. In the next step, you create a FFS instance from a new tab and note down the token from the output. This is the token. I have already exported this as an environment variable, so I'll skip this step. In the next step, you determine the Docker image that you want to push to IPFS and Filecoin. You can either create a new Docker image locally or fetch it from another source. In the next step, you will clone the decentralized Docker Hub repo and then check out to the decentralized Docker Hub rep branch. I've already done that. In the next step, you will push an image to IPFS and Filecoin. First, let me push the Alpine image. As you can see that first it got added to the hot storage layer, that is IPFS, and the next step it skipped Filecoin because it is already pinned. In the next step, I'll try to push the IPFS image. The first step it got added to IPFS and then it skipped Filecoin because it is already pinned. And the next step we'll pull the Docker image from IPFS and Filecoin using the CID from the previous step. As you can see that it successfully pulled the IPFS image. Similarly, you can also pull the Docker images using the ENS domains. So firstly, you need to link the IPFS CID to your ENS domain and then you can pull it using this command. It also supports the testnet for the ENS domain. In this way, we pull the Alpine image using the ENS domain alpine.docker.eth, and finally you can create a container from the image that was pulled from IPFS and Filecoin. As you can see that the container got created successfully. This concludes the demo for decentralized Docker Hub. Thanks.